Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christian. If you've seen my videos before, welcome back and thank you for watching. I haven't been making videos in a while. I just get really busy, just like around my birthday, and it was my birthday on August. So it's been like 3 months, and I get really busy. But finally, me and my fiance decided to take some time off from work, and we're going on a trip. We are going to Cancun, or we're actually going to Playa del Carmen, but you have to fly to Cancun and then we'll drive to Playa del Carmen. And it's the first time that my fiance ever goes on a plane trip. He's never been on a plane, so we'll see how that goes. And and then we're just really excited. We're going to Playa del Carmen, and then we're actually going to go to Mexico City as well. This is going to be a two-part trip. I'll see you next time I pick up my camera.
So this was a room. Here's a bathroom. It has two sections to get ready. Here's your bed with like a little table to eat and TV. And this is the view. I paid extra to have an ocean view, but this was clearly a ripoff. The view was almost completely obstructed, but we managed. After settling in, we got dressed to go start exploring and eating. First, we saw a little more of the hotel, like the gym that we planned on using, but didn't. Then we walked around the Fifth Avenue, which is filled with vendors and food, and so we started a taco tasting adventure.
Si vivir es solo soñar, hagamos el bien soñando. La la la, la la la, mexicano soñador. Si vivir es solo soñar, hagamos el bien soñando. La la la, la la la, mexicano soñador. Si vivir es solo.
Good morning, it's the next day, and we're about to get our day started by going to breakfast here at the hotel.
Excited for actual, hopefully good food.
Now, after breakfast, we just got ready to go to Xcaret, and we're about to head out.
Here we are about to go into the underground river in Xcaret, which is such a unique experience, but a little scary. I would not go there by myself. You had to wear a life vest, and it's recommended to wear fins.
Corazón, mi corazón, te lo dije muy clarito. Permanece a la escucha.
Hey guys, this is the third day. We are on our way to eat breakfast again at the hotel's buffet. See you next time I pick up the camera.
Te lo dije muy